90% of my videos is me trying to find the right brush. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am doing a first impressions on this beauty right here, the Venus XL2 by Lime Crime. Oh, she's pretty, y'all. This has 18 gorgeous spring, summery, beautiful shades. I mean, look at this color layout. This is one of the prettiest palettes I think I own in my collection color-wise. These colors are so unique. Like, okay, I'm just gonna swatch a few in person, but as you know, with every new palette, I do swatches on my Instagram. I will show those in a minute. I'm just gonna swatch some of my favorite shades so you guys can see. I mean, these are so beautiful and sparkly and ridiculous. So these are some of the shades that I absolutely love. Now right now it's very cloudy outside, but if I had sun shining in here right now, you could see the beauty of this shade. It has a lot of beautiful gold in it. Yeah, you can't see it, but trust me when I say that these are absolutely stunning colors. You'll see it when I apply it on my eye. It's like this color, Thorn, was incredible. It was so pretty. Like always, let me show you the swatches. And as always, my Instagram is right below. Feel free to follow me. I do swatch all new palettes on my channel, and I do also post some makeup looks from these videos as well. Now there is one thing to note. There is not a light neutral shade in here. There is a really light, beautiful mint green color. There is only 4 matte shades, you guys. Just 4. All the rest are duochromes, shimmer shades, some really beautiful like glittery colors in there, but there is only 4 mattes. So if you want a matte look out of this palette, I would just get a different palette. This is not about the matte formula, even though this berry shade is the most beautiful shade I think I own in my collection. That is clearly a matte, so I just lied. It's about the mattes. I mean, the mattes are gorgeous. What am I talking about? Anyways, I love it. I can't remember how much it is. I'll post it in the description. But if you would like to see this look, then just keep watching. I mean, that's beautiful. This is stunning. This is stunning. This color, this reminds me of one of the colors in Soft Glam. Ooh, yes, this reminds me of Mulberry in Soft Glam. Look at these two. This one is one of my favorite shades in the entire palette. So no wonder that I like this shade. I mean, just get this palette for this color. It's so beautiful! Alright, and with a absolutely clean brush, I am just going to soften up these edges, because there is not a very light transition shade in here other than this pink, which I just used. And as you could see, that was pretty dark, and there's no matte shades that are like really like bone colored. And there's a shimmer, but that's like really shimmery. You're beautiful. Oh my gosh, what if I were to wet that? you guys see that? That is beautiful, and it's not even wet. Okay, wait, I just want to try this wet, because if this is this pretty dry, I can only imagine. Fix Plus. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, okay. Okay, Lom Crom. Now, wetting it did make some texture on my lids, so keep that in mind if you have wrinkly eyelids like me, or hooded eyes. That's going to show a little bit of texture. So maybe I should have kept it dry. Whatever. Oh, Lord. I mean, wow, you're gorgeous. Okay, to blend in those two, I'm gonna go in with West here, and I'm going to just tap that in with my finger to blend those two together. Oh, that just gave it so much more dimension. Oh my god, I love you! You're so pretty! Marry me! Alright, my hair looks like I've been through a wind tunnel, because I have. I have a huge, like, jet turbine fan over here because my sunroom's so hot. So while I was applying everything, what was that? I just went through puberty, and, okay. It was, like, blowing my hair everywhere, so that happened. Let's move on to blush. This is a very berry toned look, and you know what? Normally I try and do a warmer toned blush with cooler toned looks, but I'm really digging this, so I think I would just want to do all berries today. I'm gonna go in with this Profusion blush palette, and I really just want to add a little bit of sheen, so I'm going in with this shade here, Pink Star. I mean, I feel like I may have to build this up a little. What? Profusion, don't let me down! Where's the color? I mean, where'd it go? It was... There you are. Okay, so I just had to build this up like 3 times. Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder in Glowden flower. That's not a thing. That would be a terrible thing. What is a Glowden flower? It sounds like a fish with hepatitis. It's this beautiful pale gold, but also it pulls with pinks beautifully. And I lost my highlighting brush, so. For lips, I went ahead and just put on Uncuffed from Fenty Beauty. This color is absolutely beautiful. It is very flattering. It does not make my teeth look yellow, which a lot of mauves do, but this is more of like a dusty rose mauve. Sorry about my child. And I love it. And anyways, you guys, I think what I want to do with this, because there's so many different variations of colors I can go, I really want to do 3 looks with this. So those take me quite a while, but I think that's what I'm going to do with this palette. I'm going to go ahead and do 3 looks with this, so keep an eye out for it. And if you guys enjoyed this, let me know, because I have a lot of other first impressions on some palettes coming up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Yeah, you can't see that on camera. It's completely useless. You're welcome. Okay,